Welcome to Billionomics. Are you making money but still feeling broke at the end of the month? You're not alone. Today we're talking about 5 money habits keeping you poor, and most importantly, how to break them. Let's set you on the right path to financial success, starting now. Picture this. You're working hard, you get your paycheck, and before you know it, it's gone. Where did it go? If you've ever asked yourself this question, stick around because you might be making one or more of these money mistakes. First up, living beyond your means. Let's be real, it's easy to swipe your card and think, I'll deal with it later. But that's exactly what keeps you stuck. If your income is $3,000 a month and your expenses are $3,500, you're digging yourself into debt. Here's the fix. Start tracking your expenses with a budgeting app, or even just a notebook. Once you know where your money is going, cut unnecessary spending, like those $8 coffee runs every day. Next is the classic no-budget lifestyle. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. A budget isn't restrictive, it's empowering. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. It's simple and effective. Here's a big one. Not saving for emergencies. Life happens. Your car breaks down, your phone dies, or you lose your job. Without a safety net, you're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, and that cycle keeps you poor. Start small. Aim for $500 to $1,000 as a starter fund, then build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Treat this fund as untouchable except for real emergencies. If you're not investing, you're leaving money on the table. Many young professionals think, I'll start later. But the earlier you invest, the more you benefit from compound interest. Start small. Use apps like Robinhood or Acorns to invest just $10 or $20 a month. You don't need to be a stock market expert, just get started. Lastly, let's talk credit cards. If you're only paying the minimum balance each month, those interest charges will keep you broke. Credit cards aren't free money. They're a tool, but only if you use them wisely. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest. And if you're struggling with debt, focus on paying off the card with the highest interest rate first. It's called the avalanche method, and it works. All right, let's recap. Don't spend more than you earn. Stick to a budget. Build an emergency fund. Start investing today. Use credit cards wisely. These small changes can have a huge impact on your financial future. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep it and make it work for you. Did any of these habits hit home for you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your finances. See you next time. This is Billionomics.